Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix network error in CapCut. CapCut PC is a popular AI video editing software that has gained a massive user base globally. However, some users encounter the frustrating network error. Click to try again message, preventing them from accessing the full range of features CapCut has to offer. This error is often linked to slow internet connections or restrictions in certain countries, such as India, where CapCut is banned. Before addressing the network error, ensure you have the latest version of CapCut PC installed on your desktop. This step is optional but recommended for optimal performance and to benefit from any bug fixes or improvements introduced in newer releases. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a simple hiccup can cause network errors, so double-check your Wi-Fi or internet connection. Second, restart CapCut. Close CapCut completely and reopen it. Sometimes a fresh start can do wonders. If the error persists, move on to the next step. To bypass the network error, you'll need to use a virtual private network or VPN. A VPN masks your IP address and allows you to connect to servers in different countries, thus bypassing regional restrictions. Download reliable VPN software on your PC. Click on the search icon, then type VPN settings. Go to VPN connections, then click on the Add VPN button. Then, add the connection name. You can name it whatever you want. And here in the server name and address, we have to open in the browser. Search for VPNGate, then click on the first link. Scroll it down, and here you will find server addresses. Now, copy any server address. Then paste it in server name and address. In VPN type, select Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol or SSTP. For username and password, go back to browser. Then here you will see the username and password. Once done, click on Save button. Then click the icon at the bottom right and connect the VPN. Finally, you can now use transitions, effects, and some features in CapCut PC. Then once you're done with your editing, simply close or disable the VPN. By connecting to a server in location without restrictions, you ensure seamless access to CapCut's features without encountering a network error. Fixing the CapCut network error is a straightforward process with the help of a VPN. By following these steps, you can overcome internet-related challenges and access all the powerful features CapCut PC has to offer. Unlock your creativity without limitations with CapCut PC and reliable VPN. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.